Hi, welcome back to our unboxing video of the DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced. So today we're going to talk about more in-depth of the sensors, whether it's the visual sensor or the thermal sensor. So first off, the thermal sensor, compared to the older model, which is a Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual, it has a much higher resolution camera for the thermal sensor at 640 by 512 pixels at 30 Hz. So this sensor supports radiometric imaging, and the images that you take will be in RJPEG. So just RJPEG images can be analyzed in DJI's thermal analysis tool. Much easy to see whatever information you need to see on those RJPEGs. About the visual camera, it's a 48 megapixel sensor, and it's about 4 times higher than the Mavic 2 Dual or Mavic 2 Enterprise Zoom. And the sensor size is about half-inch sensor, so sensor size is very important, especially in much challenging situations where you need to take photos or need to view something at night. So the operator can switch using the smart controller over here. So you can just switch between the thermal imaging or the visual imaging, or you can view them side by side at the same time. Or let's not forget, you can always project it out to a TV so that other people can also view whatever the drone is viewing at that time. Flight performance. So about this drone, this aircraft supports something unique other than the loudspeaker, spotlight and the beacon. This drone can also support an Rtk module. However, that is also purchased separately, but that Rtk module can help you during your missions when you need to fly near sources of interferences, any electromagnetic interferences. Then the Rtk module will help you to fly safely around those objects that you need to do inspections or you need to do surveillance around. And something unique about this is that it supports up to 240 waypoints compared to the older generations, which are at about 99 waypoints. So 240 waypoints is a lot of waypoints, and you can use those waypoints for any repetitive missions at the same location. You can just fly again and again and do any type of missions using those waypoints. Not to forget, it has a self-heating battery in case in certain situations where you need to fly in lower temperature regions. Then these self-heating batteries would help to make sure you are at a proper operating temperature. So it'll just help heat up itself to a temperature that it needs to operate safely within. And this benefits from the OcuSync 2.0, which works together well with your smart controller. So let's not forget that to use this drone, you'll have your DJI smart controller. So it's a very, very bright screen, easy to use outside, very easy to see, even under harsh sunlight or difficult, challenging environments to see. So this 5.5 inch screen over here, very easy to use, crystal clear. You can see whatever your drone is seeing, and with the OcuSync 2.0 radio transmission feed, you have low latency and you see your feed in high definition at all times. That is all I have for you today for the DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced. If you have any inquiries, please drop us an email at hello@poladrone.com. Follow us on our social media channels over here. My name is Alvin. Wear a mask, sanitize your hands, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!